Greetings, it is I, Susie Q. I just came off of a QHHT session, Quantum Healing Hypnosis Technique, and it was for me. So I got to be the person that was going through the process, and I had a great practitioner this morning. So I'm real excited to share that. So I've got two AKASHIC records moving into automatic writing. And so I can't really recall when I wrote this or why I wrote it, but I do believe that it is an Akashic record and it's bringing some energy in. I'm not really sure when I created it or where it happened. I have no clue. And then I have a smaller Akashic record after that. So we're going to get started right now. All right. Notes from today's lecture, messages that stream in. Thankful for all the master teachers and incarnate souls who nudge us along the way. You are holding the presence for people who are frightened. Everything is the same. Sadness and joy are the same. There is no time you are alone. If you have been breathless, it's because you have been many times before. If you allow your heart to break totally open, there's no need to come back. The only sound is one note, the sound of creation. Let the sunshine in. It's okay to let the joy come in. Dancing, it's all about the dance. The dance, lightness, loving, holding hands out. Nani was her Hawaiian name. She is the one. Going out to the top of her head, pressure. There is no death. It's all part of one circle. There is no death. We experience death to more fully experience life and light. We have opposites to show contrast. All is one. There is no death. Only how we perceive it. Deep connection to Master Teacher Yeshua. Die to the old to be reborn, and to the new is the purpose of the death. We have to exercise choice. We can just let it go. Let it go, let it go. They say you were choking on things that were not true. Wear a scarf around my neck. As the truth comes out, you won't be choking anymore. Breathe in the truth. All there is gratitude and the love. It was dangerous to speak the truth in many lifetimes. I'm reminded that we always have a choice and that each soul must make their own choice. Whatever choice that's made doesn't matter. It's all one. Don't be afraid to make choices that are contrary to what others may want. It's okay. To listen, I will make physical moves, but there will always be a safe place to come back to. Don't be afraid. Listen deeply to the guidance, for Spirit speaks right here. Deeper inner listening. Things are always in motion. The reason we have to keep listening is the constant motion. Individual choice. We can't be responsible for others' choices. Free will. Trust deeper listening. Father is the closest in the human realm. Beyond human realm, more powerful realm. It's a group consciousness, Christ consciousness. My voice will not be just my voice. They will speak through you. Breathlessness seems to be about the fear of speaking the truth. It was that sense of moving up into the head, more of an opening into the space of trust. Drink lots of water. Symbolically, washing away the tears, the fears outside and inside. Thank the guides. Most importantly, truth, trust, and oneness. Integrate into your soul, depth of your being body. Feel the tingling. Drink it in. It's all one voice. Without naming the workers here, please know this is for another source. I take no credit for these notes. At a certain point, I knew to start writing. So many gifted lightworkers in the world today. The moment I recognized the message was divinely and timely postured for me, I began writing. I'm slow like that sometimes. For me, the note taker, I have to say what a gift it is to be in this flow at this time. What to come from all of this is that I feel, and it's, let me say, I gotta say it. What's to come from all of this is what I feel in this very moment, thankful. Okay, I think we've got another one here too. In the everydayness of where we are, we find our own rhythm of the flow. Don't resist what comes your way. Choose to face it head on. Be water. If you can allow it to flow over you, around you, or through you, be present. Adapt. Tap into your own natural, wondrous resources. Lean into what is. Each moment, precious. Be water. Be water. So we also have this quote, empty your mind by formless, shapeless like water. If you put water into a cup, it becomes a cup. You put water into a bottle and it becomes a bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes a teapot. Now, water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend, Bruce Lee. Okay, so, all right. So those are some of the thoughts. I don't remember who Nani was. I don't know. I don't know who that was, but that was some kind of a guide or some of a spirit energy, or could have been from another lifetime. So I work a lot with past lives, future lives, concurrent running timelines, as above, so below, and everything else. So all of those energies are always in play, to support us to have a better guidance with what's freaking going on, like what is happening in our field. And so like right now, we're just kind of in a space of here I am, and I'm, just enjoying my life. I'm experiencing ups and downs and, ins and outs. So all of these energies that we're working with the Akashic records, these are my Akashic records, comes from my soul's messages, my body messages, my galactic energies, source God, or anything else. All of that is supporting me with some of these written pieces. And sometimes when I'm actually going into it and reading it, I'm like freaking like, I don't know if I can say it. I cannot say it. Anyway, but that's what's happening right now is we're getting more guidance through many different avenues of consciousness. It could be through color, it could be through sound vibration, it could be from thought or for impressions or any kind of like feeling, any bhavana that you got going on, some like juicy bhavana. So all of these energies are right for each one of us to lean into some of these states of awareness. If you get just a few words or if you get a few little things that you can kind of work with, you might get some more guidance. So the more that you go into that still small voice, it's always on my right side. I've been doing it since 2008. I continue to read and write and read and write. And it's been my pleasure and my joy to share these beautiful written pieces. And so whenever I'm on this channel with YouTube, I put all the material down there, so you can look at all of the material, see if it means anything for you. It's kind of like a free range chicken, so it's out there for everybody. So whatever I'm putting out, on these videos, I'm giving it to you. And if you want to share it, you can. If you want to, put a comment down there, you can, you can use it in any way that makes sense for you. And so the more that we can get into having that still small voice and just getting a little bit more guidance, even if you just do like maybe one line of words or maybe 2 lines of words, see what you can get, see what kind of guidance you can get, see what you can find that might be supporting you. So I think that's it for now. So we'll see you soon, and namaste.